Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is, excuse me, hump day, and it's November 19th, the week before Thanksgiving. Wow, coming up very quickly. We just got a couple economic news releases today, and we'll start off with the housing starts for October's numbers. So September we had 1.04 construction on new homes. And then forecast was supposed to dip down to 1.03. It dipped down probably a little bit further, but we are reaching the the fall winter months, so these probably would be more or less expected to happen. But the biggie today would be the FOMC meetings. Minutes will be released at 11 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. So right now the market's kind of gearing up in anticipation for it. So they don't want to get too risky and see if there's any surprises, because they really don't know if it's going to have more of a hawkish tone or a dovish tone. So hawkish is where the people are going to probably get into maybe some of the Fed members may want to raise rates sooner than later, where dovish might be saying, hey, let's wait a little bit longer in case, more involved with the economy, where the economy is going versus where inflation's at. So we'll have to kind of see who wins and see what kind of tone it will have once they see these minutes here. This could play a big role. So if it has more of a hawkish tone, the stock market will probably come down even further, and that would help bode well actually for the bond market, because the biggest enemy to the bond market or interest rates is inflation. So if it looks like they're fighting inflation, that would help interest rates. That is because it's maintaining it. What happens is that it erodes the value of the bond over the course of the time, and that's why it's the biggest enemy of bonds. So even the bond market's down a little bit, so money's just kind of being pulled out. They're kind of transitioning until that's being released again, 11 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. We're down about 5 basis points. So there is so far this morning pricing at 103.17 yesterday, and right now we're at about 103.12. But this could quickly change after 11 o'clock our time, Pacific Standard Time. All right, folks. So be prepared. It could be a little bit crazy later today. Have a wonderful day. Thanks so much for watching. And if I were to kind of put a betting man, I think it may have a slightly hawkish tone, because it seemed like more Fed members were kind of jumping on that bandwagon. So, all right. Have a wonderful day. Have a great. Thanks.